Is your Nissan Armada failing to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without navigation or music? Statistically, 70% of these infotainment glitches are resolved by resetting the communication handshake between your phone and the head unit. Let us break down the troubleshooting steps to get your system back online. Start by swapping your cable for a certified Apple variant, then toggle airplane mode and force your phone to forget the Armada connection. Check your iPhone for pending iOS updates or restricted permissions that might be blocking the CarPlay integration entirely. If the phone is fine, look at the vehicle side, specifically for outdated infotainment firmware or a loose USB port connection. Try a hard system reset before visiting the dealer, as physical port repairs are significantly more expensive than software troubleshooting. Most software fixes are free, while hardware module replacements in the console can easily exceed $400. Perform a factory reset on the screen and check the fuse box if the head unit seems completely unresponsive to your phone. You do not need special tools, just your phone and the Nissan user portal to ensure you have the latest system updates. Remember, persistence is key with modern infotainment. If a soft reset fails, always perform a full system power cycle. If this guide helped restore your connectivity, hit like and subscribe for more Armada troubleshooting tips.